What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the faceless prayer video using the AI. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, as you can see here, I opened the CapCut. Well guys, surprisingly, this CapCut also will provide you to create the AI video. And the tool that I will use here, this AI Lab, like this. So if you would like to access this AI of this CapCut, so you need to do the login first with your email to get this chance or create the AI video. And this will be the section, or initially, or if you remember, maybe a couple months ago, this AI video maker was named as the AI story maker, so it transformed to be the AI video maker. So you can continue to click try it if you would like to create this, and also you can start to put your prayer in this section. And to make it more smoothly, so I recommend you to remove every single punctuation, for example, the comma and also the full stop or dot. And I will also put the space between every single paragraph or every single, let's say it's kind of the verse in the song. And if you would like to start off create the video with this AI, don't worry guys if you started from the unperfect conversation, because this CapCut AI will also help you to refine every single request and also make it better after we see the result. If we feel that the previous output or the result is not really good, don't worry, you can keep correcting it and also refine it until you get the better result. Like this, I will start to remove the punctuation. And you can check it out again. And I will also put the space between maybe for one sentence. Like this, and after that I will start to choose another setting. For example, this one will be the style or the appearance of the prayer AI faceless video. So for example, I will choose the biblical style, and after that I will choose the narrator or the voiceover that want to deliver this prayer. And for example, I will choose this one.
You're using the text-to-speech feature. Choose a voice you like.
And after that, I will choose the aspect ratio 2. And you can continue to click generate and kindly wait for the confirmation before this AI wanna generate the every single text into the video. So as you can see, it's kind of the process of the generation, and also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation or the next process or the next action will run smoothly. And after waiting for a while before this AI want to generate this text into the video, this AI will usually confirm you again about the visual brief is kind of, or the video brief is kind of the visual style, voiceover, aspect ratio, background music, duration, platform, the character, outline, opening, and even the every single prayer will be provided into or will be portrayed into the picture. And this is also the script, and you can also choose the options down here. And for example, I will do the editing to give the space for this prayer to make it more, at least make it more smoothly or smoother. You will see that in every paragraph I will start to give the space and also the double space as the between the paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 and etc. Okay, I think this is what I want over here, and you can continue to click done, and you can also continue to click generate and kindly wait for the result over here. Basically, if you have ever tried to create the video before, don't worry, because you can also keep checking out about the result, guys. While waiting for the result, I will also show you the another output that I have done before by clicking this history. And for example, I will choose this one, and this is kind of the prayer or the faceless video prayer we got. You can play it.
Our Father in heaven, thank you for your guidance and protection. We are grateful that we are always loved and longed for by you. Thank you for the strength that we receive each day. Forgive.
Isn't that beautiful, right? So you can start to do the something with this. Let's say if you would like to save it, you can go to the export first and you can click export here. And after that, this video will be officially saved into your device. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.